guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing content. You're literally gonna enjoy it. So love, today I'm gonna be showing you guys clips of my hair, not my hair, my front edges, the journey I have been so far. Okay, from when I gave birth to my daughter to now. Okay, there was a lot of struggles, there was a lot of step back, there was a lot of coming back and going back, like front and back, but we are here right now. I'm going to be showing you guys different clips of my hair from the beginning of the shedding of the hair till where I am right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. Let me know your thoughts about this, and let's get started. So fam, these are the clips of my hair. This was when I gave birth to my daughter, and this was when she clocked 1 year old. Okay, so this is my hair differences. Like you guys can see, there's a lot of chopping. Like I said chopping, there's a lot of both spots and the rest. Like I kept on trying different recipes. This was my back hair. Okay, it chopped as well. And here, okay, I was like seeing result. Later on, it cut again. Here I was using amala powder for my front edges. Here I use the clothes and this roller, this dermato roller, and I got small edges and later chopped off again. And this is just me showing you guys the struggle I have been from 2022, because I gave it to my daughter 2022. So since 2022 I have been struggling with my front edges. So here I got this hair grease. Okay, Chamber 2000 hair grease. I saw it online. This was 2024. Yes, this was 2024, and it's still cut, okay, because I was braiding my hair. Then it was in 2024 I now stopped using attachment. This was the first time I did normal braids, like my natural braid on my hair. The hair came out using Chamber 2000 on a regularly. You can see that place. Then here it chopped out again, like it fell out again, like you guys can see. Then it came out again. Like it was a constant struggle. The hair keeps coming out and it keeps falling out, and it keeps coming out and it keeps falling out. So a subscriber of mine told me I should try one recipe. So I now started using MSM powder, and this is when I was using the MSM powder. Okay, and this was my hair still in 2024. All right, this is my hair when I did the no hands challenge. This is it. This was what my hair looks like when I did the no hands challenge. If you can remember that challenge, it was 2024. This is it. So I'll be showing you guys the rest one. So guys, this is my edges. What I have noticed is there is hair. Okay, like this is when it's dried. This is my edges when it's dry. There is hair there. Okay, then I'll show you guys when I have wet it. Like look at this. This is growth. This right here is growth. But anyway, when I've hydrated my hair, I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is when it's being dried. Okay, see, this is growth. This is my edges when it is being dry. This is growth here, because you can see it's a small one. All right, then when I hydrate it, I'll come back and give you guys the full tea when it's hydrated. You see it when it's hydrated, you see everything out. Okay, this is what my edges looks like when it's been hydrated. This is the edges so far. Yeah, this is where we are ingrained the edges so far in the 2 months challenge. Okay, so let me know, what do you guys think? Is there a progress? Let me know in the comment section. So this is my hair in 2025. Okay, this is what my hair is right now. So like the length though, but the front of this is about my front edges anyway. So you guys can see from the front of my edges that they're able to hold some part of the front of my edges to tell you that my edges are growing. Yes, so this is my hair and I hope you enjoy the video, so please keep on watching to the end. This is my hair right now. You guys have already seen the clips of how my hair has been going from front back, front back, front back, front back. Like the struggle is real. Okay, when you're growing your natural hair, the struggle is real. There will be a lot of do's and don'ts and this and that. Like so right now I'm in a journey whereby I am taking my hands off my front edges. Okay, a subscriber recommended that and it's literally working. So that's what I have been doing, and you guys can see the result. The front edges are actually coming out. Yeah, let me know, what do you think? For me, I'm seeing result in my front edges, so you can do it to let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy my backstory. Let me know, what do you guys think about this particular video and all the things I have been using. Have you tried any of them? Let me know in the comment section. Like the struggle of when you don't have a front edges, like when you plait your hair and your front edges is not there, is so depressing. Okay, but I am glad that I was able to step out of using bad like attachments. Okay, for me right now, I don't go close to attachment again, and I'm not braiding my hair like this. And this is February, so I did my braid on hold on guys, I need to check the day I did my braid. I don't think we're up to 1 month yet, so I'm just going to go through my other phone and hopefully I can find a picture when I did my braid. Okay, I don't think I'm up to a month when I did this braid. Hold on. It's after my daughter's birthday, and hold on, let's see. Okay, so this is 8, this is 9, so I did it before now. I think I did on 7th. I've gotten 8. I checked my other phone, and I did my hair on the 8th of January. So on the 8th of February, we'll make it 1 month. Okay, yeah, 8th of January. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to take this picture and put it here so that you guys can see. So on the 8th of February, we'll make it a month I have carried this braid, and you can see we have a lot of growth because of the DIYs I have been doing in the channel. You need to check it out. It's literally going to help you to promote your hair growth. And yeah, besties, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment, and I will catch you all in my next sit down video or in my next hair tutorial. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.